Welcome to Utah, the world's greatest outdoor museum. My brother Mark and I are on our way over to Mexican Hat, Utah, which is on the San Juan River. But before we do that, we have to go through Monument Valley. Here we're going through Golden Landing, which is the very beginning of the Monument Valley area. And it's just like stepping back in time and seeing the Old West right before your eyes. It's such a beautiful sight. Anyway, we're on our way. This opens up into the scenic panoramic view of all of the spires that you've seen in all the old John Ford movies. Like I said, it's like stepping back in time. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. Shot this with my Mavic 3 Pro drone before I got the Mavic 4. I can't imagine what it looks like with the Mavic 4. Anyway, we stayed at the San Juan Motel there on the San Juan River before you get to Mexican Hat. And there's the little community of Mexican Hat, and you'll see the arrow will point out the monument there. The Mexican Hat kind of looks like an old sombrero, and that's why they call it Mexican Hat. Anyway, the next few minutes will be just kind of going around the monument there, I guess you want to call it. But it was a beautiful day along the San Juan River. I believe I was the only one in the park that day. They actually climb that rock. It looks like it's balanced precariously up there, which it is, but there are people that actually climb on that rock. And it's a lot bigger than what it looks from far away. I've inserted a screen grab of one of the climbers that I lifted off of another YouTube site. You can see somebody has stacked up some rocks on top of it right there. Beautiful surroundings, the red stones never cease to amaze me. I've been out to Arizona quite a few times, but this was the first time I'd ever gone to Mexican Hat. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out my channel. Again, there you see the stones up on the top of where somebody has put up one of the little monument things. There it is off in the distance with the mesas in the background. The San Juan River off to the right. And there you have the Mexican Hat Monument at Mexican Hat, Utah. If you get a chance to go out there and see it in person, it's a great, great sight to see. So, if you like this content, hit the big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. I always enjoy the comments that come after some of these videos. It really spurs me on to create more videos. Thank you so much for watching.